The thrill of adventure isn't just shaped by nature. It's crafted by the hands of those who live and breathe the sport. Welcome to the terrain park at Bretton Woods, a true labor of love for groomer Brad Shedd. This is your passion project. Why?
I grew up skateboarding, and we never had skate parks, but I'd see them on videos and on the TV. And when I started working at the resort and doing a lot more snowboarding, realizing that we could come out here and build skate parks in the snow, and that was it for me. I was hooked, and I've been doing that for 22 years.
Hello everyone, I'm Céline McArthur, your official Slopeside storyteller here at Bretton Woods. I've been following Brad throughout the season, seeing firsthand how this winter playground transforms with every snowfall and every new build.
I'm not sure the exact amount of snowfall that we've had this week, but we've had 3, 5, 6 inches every single day for like 10 days. We did a complete rebuild, and with the amount of snow and all the natural snow that came with it, we've been able to widen our park and add a lot more shape and variety in the park. So we have jumps and rails from little small ones up to what I like to call extra medium.
Brad admits he's a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to grooming.
Beautiful corduroy for me not only is just pretty, but it's safety too. Because when you roll into a terrain park and you know that wall to wall you're getting the same surface, you don't have to think about what you're riding on, and now you can focus on the obstacles you're coming into.
Why is it important, do you think, for Bretton Woods to have a terrain park?
When I'm up here watching our guests come down through the park, it's not just that rowdy teenager in here hucking himself off a jump. It's mom and dad skiing around the features. I know a couple guys that come in here and they've been riding our parks since they were kids, and now they're out here riding our parks with their kids. It's pretty cool.
I would love to see your videos from the terrain park. Please email them to me at the address on your screen or add the hashtag #DayAtTheWoods to your social media posts. And I'll see you soon.